Success quotes. Master your mind. Master your life. Success isn't just about talent or luck. It's about mindset, discipline, and the ability to keep pushing forward. Your biggest battles are often fought within your own mind, and the key to winning is mastering yourself. Control your mind. Control your reality. We often suffer more in our thoughts than in reality. People change, love can hurt, friends leave, and things go wrong, but life always moves forward. Keep your plans private until they become reality. No one cares about your dreams as much as you do, and no one else will make them happen for you. Let go of past pain, but never forget the lesson it taught you. Mastering others is strength, but true power comes from mastering yourself. Remember, your direction matters more than your speed. Live fully, learn from every moment. Never regret a single day. Good days bring happiness, bad days bring experience, tough days bring lessons, and the best days leave memories. Life is short, so live it fully. Love is rare, cherish it. Anger is destructive, release it. Fear is paralyzing, face it. Memories are priceless, hold on to them. Relying too much on others is risky. Even your shadow disappears in darkness. Some of the best moments of your life haven't even happened yet. Protect your energy and priorities. Bad habits are like a soft bed, easy to fall into but hard to escape. No one is truly too busy. Priorities reveal what truly matters. If something brings you happiness, keep it private. Be mindful of who you trust. Salt and sugar may look the same. Time will always reveal who truly values you. Stay calm. You've overcome challenges before, and you will again. If someone treats you as an option, remove them from your choices. Success comes from within value. Experiences over material possessions. Memories are life's greatest treasures. Many people love you, so don't waste energy focusing on those who don't. Your vision may seem unclear now, but with time, it will sharpen. Take care of your body. Health is one of your greatest forms of wealth. The strongest muscle you have, and often your worst enemy, is your mind. Train it well. Avoid reacting impulsively. Walk away in silence when necessary. Someone else's success does not take away from your own. Stay focused on your path. Build a life of peace and purpose. A small, close circle, a private life, and a peaceful mind lead to true happiness. We often create our own heartbreaks through unrealistic expectations. Embrace solitude. It's a time for reflection and self-discovery. Overthinking, overtrusting, oversharing, and overloving create unnecessary struggles. Never let anyone make you feel undeserving of your dreams. A life without struggle leads to weakness. Growth comes from discomfort. Let things unfold naturally. What is meant for you will find its way. Be authentic. It saves time and energy. Keep your personal life private. Not everyone needs to know your story. Never hand others the tools to hurt you. The moment you abandon discipline is the moment you start losing yourself. Done is always better than perfect. Final thought, keep moving forward. Your greatest enemy may be the person you trust the most. Be wary of wolves in sheep's clothing. Sharing accomplishments is important, but oversharing even minor successes can be a mistake. Life's biggest achievements often arise from hardship. Mistakes are not failures. They are stepping stones to growth. Learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. Self-care is not selfish. It is necessary for a well-balanced life. Success quotes. Master your mindset. Transform your life. Success isn't about luck. It's about mindset, discipline, and taking action. To reach your full potential, you must break free from limitations, focus on self-growth, and stay committed to your journey. Time is your most valuable asset. The true value of time only becomes clear once it's gone. Use it wisely. Don't pretend to be better than you are. Instead, strive for genuine growth. Live at your own pace without being weighed down by others' expectations. If you constantly worry about what people think, you'll always be a prisoner to their opinions. Your potential is limitless. The only thing that can hold you back is your mindset. Set high standards for yourself and push beyond your limits. Surround yourself with those who inspire and challenge you to become better. Own your happiness and purpose. If you rush through life, you'll miss the best parts along the way. The things you choose to hold on to define who you are. Take ownership of your happiness. It's not something you need permission for. Stop choosing what is easy or popular. Start choosing what is right. Take a deep breath. Everything will be okay. Maybe not today, but eventually. It is a shame to grow old without ever experiencing the strength and potential within you. Life was never meant to make us perfect. Those who appear flawless belong in museums, not reality. Don't take on more than you can handle or you'll burn out. Prioritize your physical and mental health. They are your greatest assets. Never be afraid to say, "I don't know." Seeking wisdom is a sign of strength. Success requires discipline and action. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're finished. Take action now. Later often becomes never. When you're winning, stay quiet. Let your success do the talking. Trying to reinvent yourself while staying around the same influences will only hold you back. Not everything you do needs to be seen or heard. Actions speak louder than words. If your actions don't align with your words will lose their value. Without struggle, there is no progress. Falling is an accident, but staying down is a choice. Stop accepting everything as it is. Only dead fish go with the flow. Remove negativity from your life before it consumes you. Keep your goals private. Let your results be the proof. Hope, but don't expect. Look forward, but don't wait. Your focus determines your future. Some people will never understand your silence, just as they will never truly understand your words. Sometimes burning bridges is necessary to stop yourself from going back to toxic situations. You attract what you focus on, so direct your energy toward what you truly want. Where you'll be in the future depends on the choices you make today. Never trust someone who has let you down repeatedly. Once is a warning, twice is a lesson, and anything beyond that is manipulation. If you don't build your own dream, someone will hire you to build theirs. Playing small will keep you small. Everything is difficult before it becomes easy. The cost of being wrong is far less than the cost of doing nothing. Final thought, keep moving forward. The more challenges you face, the less intimidating they become. If you have the courage to start, you have the courage to succeed. Everything happens for a reason. It's meant to teach you something. Old ways won't open new doors. Be patient with yourself as you grow into the person you're meant to be. Success quotes: take risks, trust the process, and forge your own path. Success is built on courage, resilience, and the willingness to take risks. If you never step outside your comfort zone, you'll always end up working for someone who does. Just because something takes time doesn't mean it's not happening. Progress is often invisible until it becomes undeniable. Embrace change and growth. You have two choices in life: evolve or repeat. Not all storms come to destroy you. Some arrive to clear your path. Staying positive doesn't mean everything will go as planned. It means you trust that no matter what happens, you'll be okay. Surround yourself with people who talk about visions and ideas, not those who gossip. Sometimes when things seem to be falling apart, they are actually falling into place. Some people are like clouds. When they disappear, the day gets brighter. Life is like an elevator. As you rise, you'll need to let some people off along the way. Mastery comes from experience. A master has failed more times than a beginner has even tried. Trust only those who can see three things in you: the sorrow behind your smile, the love hidden within your anger, the reason behind your silence. If your absence doesn't affect someone, your presence never mattered. Work for a cause, not for applause. Live to express, not to impress. Your mindset defines your success. What dominates your thoughts will ultimately control your life. If something doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Admit when you're wrong and stay silent when you're right. Let your actions speak. The moment you recognize your worth, letting go of what no longer serves you will be the best decision you'll ever make. Always know the difference between what you're receiving and what you truly deserve. The power of resilience and discipline. Don't fear being different. Fear being just like everyone else. Respect must be earned, honesty valued, trust built, and loyalty returned. You must push through difficult days to earn the best ones. Every expert was once a beginner. Truth is free, but lies can cost you everything. Over time, your circle may shrink, but its value will grow. One day you'll wake up, and there will be no more time to chase your dreams. Start now. A hard heart is dangerous, but a soft mind is worse. Invest in yourself and stay focused. The best investment you can make is in yourself. The more you dwell on misfortunes, the more power they have over you. Your health is wealth. Eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what's necessary even if it's uncomfortable. Never argue with ignorant people. They will drag you to their level and defeat you with experience. A broken promise is still better than no promise at all. Forge your own path. Whether you think you can or think you can, you're right. Avoid unnecessary conflict, but never back down when standing firm is needed. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. A gem is polished through friction, just as a person is shaped through trials. Those who suffer before it's necessary only suffer more than they need to. Stop following the herd blindly. Create your own path. Success. Quotes: focus on your path. Master your mindset. Success is not about following the crowd. It's about forging your own path, making intentional choices, and mastering your mindset. The journey to greatness begins when you stop seeking validation from others and start valuing your own potential. Create your own path. As humans, we naturally move forward, yet we often follow where others go instead of where we truly ought to be. We claim to love ourselves, yet we let others' opinions dictate our choices. Success isn't about luck, it's about preparation meeting opportunity. Instead of waiting for the right moment, be ready when the opportunity arrives. Imagine yourself as already gone, your life lived, your time spent. Now use the time that remains wisely. Live in the present, not in the past. We exist only in the present. Everything else is either a memory or an uncertainty. Loneliness isn't about being unwanted. It's about focusing too much on who is beside you rather than embracing who you are. The thoughts you feed your mind shape the quality of your life. Your soul absorbs the colors of your thoughts, make them vibrant, powerful, and full of purpose. Invest in the person you are becoming. Learn from who you once were. Appreciate the person you are today. Most importantly, invest intentionally in who you wish to become. Every decision you make, Every thought you allow and every habit you cultivate shapes the future version of yourself. Success isn't about following the herd, it's about becoming the leader of your own journey. Success. Quotes, the power of self-worth and growth. In life, we often seek validation from others, forgetting that true self-worth comes from within. Success begins when we stop looking for approval and start focusing on our own growth. Fear of judgment holds us back. Many people hesitate to pursue their dreams because they fear judgment or failure. But the truth is, those who achieve greatness are the ones who take risks despite their fears. They understand that luck isn't random. It's what happens when preparation meets opportunity. If we shift our mindset and stop worrying about what others think, we can channel that energy into self-improvement and unlock our full potential. Practical steps to cultivate a strong mindset. Want to break free from self-doubt? Here's how. Check mark. Set personal goals and commit to them, regardless of external opinions. Journal your progress to track growth and build confidence. Practice gratitude to maintain a positive perspective. Surround yourself with uplifting people who encourage your success. At the end of the day, the only opinion that truly matters is the one you have of yourself, in my opinion. Success quotes. Focus on growth, not validation. Success isn't about seeking approval from others. It's about prioritizing self-growth, self-worth, and mindset. Too often people live according to external expectations, fearing judgment or criticism. However, true fulfillment comes from within, not from how others perceive us. Success is not luck, it's preparation. The idea that luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity is incredibly powerful. Success is not random. It's the result of consistent effort, learning, and being ready when opportunities arise. Many people admire others' achievements, but fail to see the years of hard work behind them. Instead of waiting for luck, focus on improving yourself and taking action when opportunities present themselves. Your mindset shapes your reality. Your thoughts have the power to shape your life. A negative mindset leads to a negative reality, while a positive and focused mindset fosters growth. Learning from the past, appreciating the present, and intentionally shaping the future are the keys to building a meaningful and fulfilling life. If you stop caring about others' opinions, what's the first thing you would do differently in your life?